Kitchens and bathrooms support households. Let's see how we can improve on how yours serve you. Start to create the framework of your kitchen renovation by assessing your goals and personal priorities. We consider particular factors to evaluate your space. This establishes the overall scope of your project. Determining this scope of work allows us to produce the preliminary estimate of your kitchen and/or bathroom renovation. Improve the functionality, update and upgrade materials and finishes, personalize your space, and increase the value of your home. Customize the functionality of your environment to achieve spaces which express who you are and reflect how you live. Personalizing your kitchen is exciting. You'll likely discover space-saving and organizational techniques that you didn't even know existed. Consider how well your current space supports your household. We will create a functional layout of your new space, ensuring your appliances and fixtures support your lifestyle. Now, more than ever before, materials and finishes are just as durable as they are attractive. Advanced technology has improved protective coating so maintenance is reasonable and practical. The materials, products, and fixtures selected for your home can support your lifestyle and reflect your personal taste. These guidelines and the durability of materials, appliances, and fixtures you select will have an impact on your lifestyle. Ensure their performance will suit your household. Designing a kitchen and/or bathrooms provides an opportunity to personalize your home through mediums of an all-encompassing palette. Explore various techniques for expressing yourself through the selection of an array of materials and finishes. Coordinate the materials and finishes to reflect your lifestyle and your personal style. Develop a cohesive, aesthetically pleasing personal style through strategic material and fixture selection. Determine how much you should spend and learn where to spend it to ensure you get the most out of your investment as possible. Setting appropriate allowances is essential to effective budget management. There is a process and guidelines to follow that will assist you in the planning and the execution of a successful project. Know where to start and where to spend to get the most out of your investment. Protect your investment by exploring costs of various options to ensure a suitable budget is created from the onset. And then the assessment. Our interactive evaluation form covers it all. So how will you score? And what elements can we improve? Let's explore those possibilities together. To get the process started, you can fill out the online introduction form, and I'll get back to you in a day or so. Otherwise, reach out now. I'm Amber, the designer. I'd be happy to hear from you. So let's talk soon.